Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Space Pi and selecting the drying chamber. Plug it into a grounded outlet and ensure ventilation. Load the spool evenly onto the hub, making sure the filament can rotate without rubbing. Once done, close the lid and choose a baseline profile: 40 degrees for PLA, 50 degrees for PETK, 60 degrees for nylon, then set 4 hours. This gets moisture moving out. You want gentle, consistent heat rather than blasting it too hot. Once the cycle begins, monitor the humidity readout and temperature. The Space Pi's sensor shows progress, so watch the percent drop steadily. If humidity stays high after 4 hours, increase time in 1-hour increments or raise temp by 5 degrees, but make sure you stay within the filament safe range. Also, periodically glance at the spool through the lid and gently rotate it if you see tight spots, because even tension will slow drying and can create. When the timer ends, let the chamber cool for about 10 to 15 minutes with the lid closed. This prevents sudden reabsorption of moisture. Remove the spool, immediately place it in a dry box or vacuum bag with a desiccant, and label temperature and finish time. If prints still show bubbles or brittle extrusion, it means residual moisture or degraded filament. Rerun at 5 degrees higher and add 1 to 2 hours, and verify the Space Pi sensor calibration to rule out false readings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.